Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to revise the appreciation of the poem You Start Dying Slowly. It is for 5 marks. Just take a look at the marking scheme of the appreciation. You start dying slowly. Appreciation. First point, title. The title of the poem is You Start Dying Slowly. Second point, poet. The poem is written by Pablo Neruda, a Nobel Prize winner poet. Third point, rhyme scheme. This poem is no rhyme scheme, it is a free verse. Fourth point, figures of speech. The figures of speech used in this poem: repetition, metaphor, anaphora. First, repetition. You start dying slowly. This line is repeated 4 times in the poem. Second, metaphor. If you do not listen to the sounds of life. Here the poet used direct comparison. According to the poet, the life itself is a sound. Third, anaphora. If you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sounds of life. Repetition of a word or a phrase at the beginning of 2 or more successive sentences is anaphora. Fifth point, theme or central idea. The central idea of this poem is that we should enjoy each and every moment of our life. Change your lifestyle, give space to passion, follow your dreams, think positively, take risk, speak to strangers, do what you like to do, push yourself out of the comfort zone and live life to the fullest. Poet says, do all the things that change your life, otherwise you will lose hope of happy future.